Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about XRP or Ripple because price has been struggling at this new 53-cent price level. What's going to happen? Can we see a massive crash occur in the market for XRP? So let me go ahead and break this down for you all. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe for more content. You guys can already see we expected the market in XRP to go lower in price. It did that literally the day that we concluded this price prediction right there. 11.46% was hit the next day right there, October the 3rd. So pretty good call. All right, cool. Now let's talk about this real quick. One of the negative things of us looking for XRP to go higher that kind of lessens that from happening is, as you can see, XRP is no longer trending alongside this trend line. It was broken on October the 2nd. So that's a negative thing for us that could also impact this massive crash occur in XRP. So we could get rid of that. The next thing is that you can see that this once held buy zone right here, that it was now acting as a sell zone on October the 17th, even 2 days ago, October the 21st. Look, the market in XRP could not break above this once buy zone. So that is a sell zone now. So we could get rid of that, and we can include another sell zone into the market for XRP. Now, my question to you will be, can you or would you suspect that the market in XRP is going to continue to hold on to this buy zone? Or do you think we're going to hit this second buy zone right here? Given what I've already said, my idea would be yes. I don't think the market's going to hold this first initial buy zone, but that we may come to this second one. Okay. And if not the second one, look at where we may be headed next. All the way down here to like 41 cents. Now let me show you a couple of different time frames. Here's XRP on the 2. Okay. So you guys can see this last 2-day price bar right there. Doesn't look bullish at all. It doesn't look like the buyers took control of price. And we always need to remember what happened on this 2-day price bar. This 2-day price bar is what is feeding these weakness price bars after it. Here's XRP on the 3. 13 hours, 18 minutes. Hey, check a look. Take a look. That's weakness. The volume is heavier than a prior 3-day price bar, and we're seeing the market in XRP not holding that buy zone. So what I'm going to do, just to alleviate any confusion, I'm going to get rid of that buy zone, just to make it nice and clean and crisp off of our chart. Here it is on the 4. XRP on the 5. XRP on the weekly chart. Here it is on the 2. Okay, don't forget, previous price bars feeds into what is currently going on the current price bar. So this weakness price bar on the 2-weekly time frame could also let us bleed or see a massive crash lower on this current 2-weekly price bar, which we still have 11 days and 14 hours to go through. Here's on the 3 weeks. These two 3-weekly price bars is substantiating that there is a higher probability of still seeing XRP go lower. This was a fantastic 3-weekly price bar there, but we didn't get any follow through. The buyers who was able to move the price in XRP during this 3-week time frame that allowed the market to run up 21%. Once they did that, they fled. They got scared. They said the price was too expensive at 65 cents, and I'm out. They left. Because the next 3 weeks, the market went down 14.7%. Here it is on the 5 weeks. This also is signifying weakness. This 5-weekly price bar right there. I'm not trying to cause any fear, any FUD, any FOMO. I'm just keeping it real. This is what is being construed off of the price chart. I'm not adding or taking away for what we don't see. I'm just being real with you. And this chart on the 5-weekly time frame is bearish this week. So like I tell you always, we try to ensure that we are on the winning team whenever we come into the market. And the only two teams that we have are buyers and sellers. So now to me, I think the sellers are winning right now. I think they're the one that's controlling the game. They're taking the ball upfield, and the buyers are nowhere to be found. Not yet, at least. We might find them at this buy zone here. or at 41 cents. So let me hit this back on the daily. And we're going to look for XRP to go lower. And we're not going to be drastically weak though. Like, I'm not going to say that XRP is going to run down to 30 cents or anything of that sort. But here's our first target right here. Okay, if we see the market in XRP bounce off of this buy zone a couple of days in a row, then we may just need to take the full profit either at the high, which is around 3.5%, or at the low 5%, and just go. I'm just saying, because the market will give you a heads up as to, okay, yeah, these buyers, they're trying to come back. They're trying to stop the sellers from crashing the market lower right here. Okay, so don't say that you didn't know that. Now, let's see if there's another area that we could create for a buy zone. So this is XRP on the 330-minute chart. Let's do it on the 90. Looking at this area right here. Okay. So we're going to create a buy zone right here. Because this is going to be our second target right there. So either at our second buy zone, if the market hits the top portion, I'm cool with it. 14.34%. If it breaks above that top buy zone and hits the bottom of it, 17.62. Either way, we're golden. We're good. Okay. And we're going to hold our resistance area up there around 59.60 cents in XRP. If the market breaks this buy zone, it's going to be a big move to the downside. I'm just going to tell you that straight. I'm going to give it to you real. If you see this price break this first buy zone, just be prepared for a wider move lower, because there's nowhere in between this first buy zone and the second that can keep the market propped up, that is revealing that buyers are there. I just don't see it on here. So we'll hold it here for the moment. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.